In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn on notifications on Protonmail so you never miss important emails or updates. We'll move step by step through the web interface, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find and customize all your notification options. First, open your preferred web browser and go to protonmail.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the main Protonmail inbox view where you can see your folders and messages. Everything we're about to do happens from inside your account, so you'll need to be logged in to continue. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the page. There you'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings. This is where Protonmail keeps all of your account and interface options. Go ahead and click the gear icon. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing your browser window or closing any pop-ups, as it should always be visible in the top right area when you're in your mailbox. After clicking the gear icon, a small settings menu will appear. From here, you want to access the full settings area rather than just the quick options. Look for the option labeled All Settings and click it. This will open the main settings panel, usually taking up most of the screen, and you'll see a navigation menu on the left with different categories like account, appearance, and more. Now that you're in the full settings view, look through the menu for an option called subscription. This section is where Protonmail groups your communication preferences and notifications related to your account and services. Click on subscription to open that page. It may take a moment to load, so just wait until all the options appear. Inside the subscription section, scroll until you find the notifications area. This is the key part of the process because it's where you can control what types of messages and alerts Protonmail sends you. Here you'll see several types of notifications you can turn on or off. The first option you'll usually see is for email subscriptions. Enabling these means Protonmail can send you informational or promotional emails such as newsletters or helpful tips about using their services. If you want to stay informed about general updates and content, make sure this is turned on. If you prefer fewer emails, you can leave this disabled or only enable what you really want. Next, look for product updates. Turning this on allows Protonmail to notify you about new features, improvements, and important changes to the service. This is often a good one to enable because it keeps you in the loop about security updates or new tools that might benefit you. Finally, find the option for application notifications. These are usually related to alerts about your account and activity and can include things like security notifications or important service messages. If you want to make sure you're alerted about critical account events, you'll want this setting enabled. Adjust each of these sections according to your preferences by turning the toggles on or off. When you make changes, Protonmail typically saves them automatically, so there's no need to click a separate save button. Once you're done, you can simply navigate back to your inbox, knowing your notifications are now set up the way you want.